Hey, what's going on? It's your guy Rocky from Rockside RC, and you guys with another video today. We're gonna do another unboxing. So what we have on the table today is picked up a cheetah rig. Picked up a cheetah rig from Axial. Reason why I'm calling it a cheetah rig is because it has the 4-wheel steering on it. Basically, that's it. So we picked up the AX24 XC-1 with the 4-wheel steering in it. So you know, I have a few 1/24 scale, crawlers. I have the 18th scale crawlers also. I figured we'll pick this one up, add it to the fleet, of course, and do some modifications along the way that will hopefully benefit it. So let's take a look and see what's inside the box. Let's see what we have here. Nice. Okay, we do the batteries for the remote. Give you a manual also. Some batteries for the remote. It's like a bind plug. They give you a charger. It's a USB charger. Oh wow, okay. They actually give us a SLT3 remote. I'm assuming they gave us this button to utilize for the 4-wheel steering. But once I put the batteries in, I'll see exactly, what it's for. A closer view of the vehicle inside the box. Definitely cool looking. Kind of gives me like that Fox Edition vibe. That's why I picked this one. Oh yeah, cool. Look at the rear steer. Nice. Obviously you have the front steer. All right, not bad. Definitely can't wait to get this thing out on the rocks and see how it performs. It's got the worm gears also, like the original XC-24s. So you have the worm gear, worm gear diffs, front and rear. So the worm gears definitely help it with the descend. It definitely holds the vehicle in place, and it definitely helps on the the ascend also. So when you're going upwards, it'll definitely hold you in position until you're ready to actually apply power or throttle. So definitely a cool feature, very, very good feature. Let's see what's underneath here. All right, so this is the body, just to show you XC1, that's what it says on the side. AX24. Show you that underneath. Very cool looking. 2 servos, front and here in the rear. Obviously you have your 2-in-1 ESC and receiver up top here, and it looks like the battery loads right underneath here. Let's take a look. So, take that little clip out basically, and I'll show you. So the clip just basically came out of this area right here, and it's like a little compartment right here, it looks like. Yep. And the battery just slides in right in here. So yeah, this thing looks pretty cool. Oh. Oh, I like this one. Oh, I like this. Ooh, I like this. Oh my goodness. I should have bought one definitely a while ago. Oh my gosh, this thing is so cool. So sick. So there's 3 settings for the 4-wheel steering. So you do use this button for the 4-wheel steering. Very convenient. You know, flick of the switch with the thumb. It's right here. Not bad. Again, very convenient. So with the flick of the switch, if you wanted to crab walk one way, or if you wanted to crab walk a different way, you can set it that way. Or you can just obviously just lock the rear and, you know, drive it normally basically. So this thing is a beast. Okay. All right. So right now, when I turn the wheels, right now it's just the front wheels turning. Right, hit the switch. Now they're crab walking in opposite ways. All right, so I hit the switch again. Okay, so now crab walks going the same way. So here you go. All right, so all the way up, it crab walks the same way. You know, so if you hit the button, the top part of the button, it crab walks in the same position. Okay. You go down once, and it locks the rear. You go down again. You go down here, click, and then there you go. It steers in opposite ways. So. So it steers pretty well. It definitely seems like it's gonna need some, you know, metal steering links. The servos seem to be pretty decent, you know, from out the box, to be honest. The power, it's not bad. The power's not bad. You know, again, that's a preference. If you want to upgrade it or update it and, you know, put a more powerful motor in there, again, that's your preference. You know, once you start putting weight on it, you definitely will probably need something that's gonna carry the car a lot easier or better than the stock motor. But again, for right now, it's not bad. You know, you could definitely use it and go crawling with your buddies and definitely impress and entertain, you know. It's definitely a very cool vehicle. It definitely just impressed me and entertained myself. I really didn't even realize that it had the rock lights on the bottom already. Very cool. For 150 or 160, I believe this vehicle goes for. It's not bad. The suspension, it's not oil filled, but it is pretty plush. I mean, it's, you know, pretty bouncy, but, you know, it's not bad. You know, again, I feel like this can definitely perform pretty well from out the box. You know, from out the box, it definitely should perform, and it will perform pretty well for a stock vehicle. I like it. I really like it. You know, at first I was kind of against it, to be honest, because I'm like, it's a four-wheel steering vehicle, you know. But now that I have it, you know, now that I've picked up other vehicles, and, you know, of course I got four-wheel steering in my Capra and all that other good stuff. But, you know, for a 24 scale, I really wasn't, again, I have the 24 scales, I have the 18 scales. It took me a while to get into that part of the hobby, to be honest, because I really wasn't interested at first. But once I got into it, of course, as you see, you know, I'm into it now. Can't wait to modify this one and, you know, make it a better performer. You know, obviously it performs very well now, but I want to see, you know, how far I can push this vehicle. You know, I'm not going to go super crazy, but, you know, definitely maybe change up the motor. If anything, we'll change up the servos. You know, I may go a little crazy. We'll see. But, you know, stay tuned. You know, I always appreciate everybody watching, viewing, subscribing, commenting. We really appreciate it, you know. Again, thank you very much for watching. Definitely appreciate it. And hopefully everybody's enjoying their day. Hopefully everybody's enjoying their family. Hopefully you're enjoying whatever RC you have. And see you in the next one. Rockside out.